Yo, yo. Welcome. What's up, everyone? When does the game release? There is no release date yet. It will release when it's finished, probably probably this summer. Yeah. Oh shit! Daily streams. The streams won't be daily, but maybe like once a week, once every 2 weeks. I just made a stream today because I want to finish the new map. No, I can't add any Squid Game related items because yeah, that could be a problem. Can you let me test it? The thing is that there is like 8, 9, I don't know exactly, testers right now, so yeah, I don't really need any more testers, but yeah, just DM me on Discord. If there will be like free space, then yeah, sure. Can you add Doom Sword? Sure, I guess. I don't know what a Doom Sword is. You can try to play the game, but it will kick you because you're not a tester. The game is open for testing currently, for the testers. Wait, guys, I need to fix something with the chat. Ooh, that's nice. You leaked the HP bar and the hunger bar. I don't know anything about a hunger bar. I don't know where I leaked that. In the screenshots. Let me check. Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. It's the stamina bar and let's say stamina bar, not hunger. I will start working on the game in a few minutes. I just need to fix something. Why am I not posting? Because I'm busy working on Catch the Fly. That's the reason basically. And making a video takes like 2-3 weeks. Mosquito task. Nah, I'm not going to add like mosquito task. I don't know how that would look like, but that would be weird. There is no mosquitoes in the game. It's about flies. But yeah, there are daily tasks if that's what you want. So, why won't you update the car game? It's the same reason that there are no videos currently. It's because I'm working on Catch the Fly. I don't know if the game will receive like any bigger updates, but it will probably get bug fixes. But I don't think it will get like really big updates. Like as of now. I basically just moved on. So, yesterday, I mean, the car game has a lot of content, actually. I mean, yeah, there are a lot of quests and stuff. I might make an update for it in the future, but right now I'm only working on Catch the Fly. So, yesterday we started making the tavern map. I mean, we made a pretty good progress actually. It still needs well, a lot of stuff. These rooms too. So yeah. The chat is not visible here. Where is the chat? Oh, okay, so actually I need to full screen this. Maybe like on the left side. And I mean, it's better. So, I can actually show the tasks. I need to open the... I actually need to make the music a bit quieter because this is just way too loud for me. So, I don't know if you guys can see this. So, this is the lobby. I don't know if I will get fly quests because it's random. Oops. what's the topic of this new game? This. Oops. What the fuck? Hmm. Wait, it's a bit bugged. Um. Shit. I need to fix this. I think my studio crashed. That's nice. Yeah, so the topic of this game. So this game is about uh, catching or killing a fly. It has PvE and PvP, so you can like play against AI flies and also player flies, and you need to kill it basically with I don't know, with anything. I don't know if you have uh, I don't know if you have seen the trailer, but like basically with anything you can think about, like I don't know, flamethrowers, RPGs, hammers, bombs, I don't know, everything. So basically you just need to kill it and try not to destroy the house. That's the core gameplay. Also there are a lot of other stuffs too, like I don't know, modifiers, but yeah, I don't want to spoiler too much. Uh, mm, yes, you guys can favorite the game, like the link to it is in the description. Um, add a feature where the fly can launch nukes at the. Actually, there is something like that in the works already. Can I be a tester? No, sorry. There is already a lot of testers. Um, holy shit, there are so many messages. Wait. Um, mm, can you add a Tommy gun? I can, but right now, like every gun in the game, I mean, I can show it. Well, actually, the game loaded. So, um, so here are the daily quests. Yeah, I sadly didn't get anything that's related to flies, but there are a few quests for the flies too, like, I don't know, win a game as a fly, or yeah, basically that's the only quest that's for the flies. But yeah, you get the point. So I don't know if I have showed it. Why is there no sounds? Nice. Also, there's a epic lobby music. So that's a bit loud. I don't know. So, like, this is the lobby. So yeah, here are the quests. Let me turn back the music. Anyways, I will go into the game. How do I come up with ideas? I don't know. For this game, I actually watched a series. I don't know when, like 4 months ago maybe. So yeah, this game is like in 3.5 months of development. So yeah, I saw a series. It was on it. It's a Netflix series. It was about a guy. Uh, it's the actor who plays Mr. Bean, and he was just trying to kill a bee. And basically, that's where the idea for this game came from. Yeah. So back to the guns. Like every gun in the game is physics based, so I can't add like pistols or stuff like that because yeah, it's just at the outside map. Um, I was thinking about making a map that's like outside. Uh, right now there are 2 maps finished. Yeah, this is the family home. This is the gym, the potato gym. Yeah, looks pretty decent. And this is the tavern map, which we started making yesterday. Custom map feature, yeah, that would be great, but it would be way too complicated to code, like way too complicated. So for now, I'm just making a few maps. But actually, like, the maps are very replayable because like the item spawns and stuff is random, and also you can play with modifiers which change like the entire game basically. Yeah, so I start making the map. So yesterday we made this we ended the stream with this upstairs area. So yeah, today I will try to make like all of the rooms, hopefully in like 2 hours. I don't want the stream to be too long. So yeah, the roof. How should the roof go? I can make it like a bit tilted and like this. No, that's weird. So maybe yeah, something like this. Yeah. Oh yeah, this looks great. So this might not be tall enough, like the roof. Like this. I mean, all right. I guess this is good. I will make the walls a bit higher so that it won't be glitchy. Will there be different skins for the flies? I don't think different type of bugs, but because different type of bugs, like the game is about catching a fly, so like adding, I don't know, like a mosquito or I don't know, something else, it might not fit. I don't know, it might be just weird. Um, but like accessories or I don't know, some type of cosmetics. Um, I don't know, hospital map. Um, hospital map. That would be good, but I'm trying to make every map like not that big. Like the gym map. Um, the gym map is the biggest map currently. It's to be honest, I don't really like this map. I don't think I'm going to remake it, but it's like way too big. Like you can get lost a bit. Yes, the game is Xbox usable. Um, if fly cosmetics will be a thing, it might not come for release. Or maybe, I mean, it wouldn't be that hard to code actually. Yeah, I might add that for release. Um, currently for the flies, okay, it's not a cosmetic, but what you can get as a upgrade is power-ups basically. There is 4, I think, currently. Uh, why is it so dark up here? Oops. Yeah, that's better. So let's add some decorations. Actually, I will need to test the map, so like how it looks like when playing. Mm. Like this, maybe. When will the game come out? Uh, I don't know yet. I don't know. Mm, I I want to release it this summer. I was aiming for, at least like currently I'm aiming for like early August. I don't know, like the game is like ready for release right now. I just want to add a few more stuff. Like I don't want to release the game and then it won't have enough content, so I want to release it when it has enough content for weeks. I might need to retexture these pillars because this is just too bright. Yeah, I will do this right now. So, Blender and Yo, sorry guys, I'm back. So, uh, there will be bugs. Uh, the game actually doesn't have a lot of bugs. Like, I would say it's playable, but it needs some optimization because it uses like uh, I don't know, like 1 GB of memory, which is a lot for phones. So I will need to do something with that. Tavern assets. So I don't need these. Store and police station. Actually, I was thinking about. I was thinking between making the tavern map or the supermarket or something like a supermarket. Maybe something like IKEA. But yeah, I want to make a store map in the future. I think that would look great. So, this could be like something like this, probably. Mm. Hmm. Let's change all of them. Hmm. I don't know. Is it better like this with this color? If Halloween comes, will you add? Yeah, yeah, sure. Actually, you know what? I will just keep it like this, how it was. Doesn't look that bad. So, I need to add some of these. Actually, I need to check out it in the game. I need to add a few of the spawn points so that it won't break. So, maps, family home. Alright, and maybe here. So let's test tavern. I'll choose where the fuck is it? It seems like it's working. Oops. I didn't want to show that. Yo, I love your building style. Thanks. I mean, it's not the best, but yeah, that's so map camera. It should be, I don't know. Here maybe? In the corner. Spawn points. AI spawn points could be here. Player. I don't know. Here. Yeah, I'm trying to keep like every model in the game simple and like low poly. Oops, 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 oops. So, let's see. Nice. It's a bit laggy. But yeah, everything works. Fuck off. Yeah. So the scales are good, in my opinion. Yeah, looking good. still needs a lot of decorations. Here I could actually put a few barrels like around the pillars. Maybe here. Oh, also, I could put down a few crates. Is it map assets? Yeah, I just need to make it a bit darker. I don't know what color this should be. The walls, they don't have destruction physics, but I could add that, like it wouldn't take a lot of time because I have like glass walls that you can destroy. Wait, I can actually show that. So like, why is this so laggy? Probably because of the stream. So there are like these glass walls that you can like. I need to throw it. Oops. Yeah, so you can break it, but right now it's a bit laggy because I'm streaming. Yeah, you get the point. Oops. Something like this is good. I need to get this color. Something like this. Oh shit, that's... Yeah, this is good. So, Ooh, actually, I could add like a few carpets. Hmm, probably this. Yeah, a map builder would be great, but that would be way too complicated to make, so yeah, for now there won't be any map builder. Yeah, I could, I can definitely add some bases. I will try it, I just need to add carpets. Hmm, I don't know which textures do. Mm, maybe. I don't know which one would fit, to be honest. What about this one? Or actually, this. This could actually be good. I mean, what I will just stick to this one. Mm, the map theme is a tavern. Mm, so, some vases. Actually, I could add a few boxes. Mm, I will add the smaller stuff later. Mm, so this, mm, where's the trash can? No, actually, this. Where is the trash can? Here. This could be like here. Hmm. This here. actually this this could be here. I don't know if I should add these cardboard boxes, to be honest. Blends. Can we see the lighting setting? Sure. Add some X's. Yeah, that's a great idea. I mean, the lightning doesn't have any secrets. Like, literally just a default atmosphere. Nothing crazy. It's mainly because of the models. That's why it looks like this. This be like on the ground. Yeah. This one could be here. Here. No, actually. Like here. This one, like here. I mean, to be honest, it's starting to look actually great. Oops. Where should I put this? Like here. Could put a crate here. Like this. Then this. How did you make the models so shiny? It's not because of the lightning. Shiny. I don't think they are like shiny. Shiny, I don't know. This is basically plastic. If I want to make it more shiny, I will just make it smooth plastic. It will be like this. But I like it like this. Actually, I could maybe make the pillar smooth plastic. Ooh. Yeah, this way it's a lot better. So, I could put a huge pillar here. On, nah, that's just wrong. So, this like here. What the fuck? What the Why is it rotating like this? It's like that's because Oh, I see. So, you could make a reference to the car game. There is actually a reference to that game. Porco on a. I don't speak that. I don't speak that language. What the fuck? Uh, so there is a reference to the car game. It's just a picture, like of the. It's the thumbnail of Custom Car Tycoon, made as a paint. Can randomly be chosen. This could be like this. Mm, the corners are way too empty. Mhm. Need this. Yeah, this looks a lot better. Item spawn can be here. So this will be the entrance. I need to make a door for that. Um, Here I could add like a smaller table, like 3 chairs. Something like this. Hi, Pirate Axolotl. I don't know how to pronounce axolot. Axolot? Probably. Here. Oh, this. Where should I? Maybe there? mm, probably here. Yeah. What the? What's going on here? Oh. Mhm. Fixed. Or it's not fixed. You know what? I will fix this later. This little plant. Then I will put a few trash cans, like everywhere. Here. I don't know. But it's too much. I used to watch your videos a lot. Well, thanks. I hope you like them. Add hammers. Hammers. There are already a few types of hammers in the game. Actually, you know what? No, I don't want to spoiler every weapon in the game, so I'm not going to show them. Yeah, Toy Factory Sim. Yeah, it was a interesting game. I don't know how much time it took to make that game. I believe it was in a 1 week video. Something. Actually, this is way too much shields. So yeah, I need to make like axes for the walls or something else. So let's open Blender. No, there are no skins for the flies. There isn't any. But it's planned. There might be a few. So tavern assets. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. I'll put this screen. Yo, I'm back. Sorry for that. Yeah, I can make swords for the walls. I will make probably axes and swords. That will look good. Torflies, can you make an axolot? Sure, I guess, but probably how the skins will work for the flies is the same as for the players. So like, you will probably have the same cosmetics that you can put on your player character. So yeah. Uh, uh, yeah, I mean, for the fly, it could be done in two ways. Like one of them will be to like just change like the actual fly. So like it will be bee, mosquito, I don't know. Uh, or it will work the same way as in the lobby. Wait, I can actually show it. Uh, Excellent skin for the player. Yeah, sure. I can do that, but excellent skin, I don't know, like hat. I don't know. So jetpack. Uh, if it will work the same way as lobby, could you add like a jetpack? Jetpack. I don't know what you mean. Uh, I meant that. So like for now, so like there are accessories that you can like buy the shop, and you can put it on the player. I don't know, and it you could like there will be like a button, I don't know, somewhere. You click it like fly, and then you can place these on the fly. It's kind of underwater salamander. I don't know. I know what an axolotl looks like. I just don't know how I would turn it into a skin. Like it should be either a face accessory or I don't know, like a hat. Attaching a jet to the yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, I mean stuff like that can be added in the future. I don't think I went with a Bro Stars theme. I don't know what you mean by that. How do you make the icons? I just take a picture of them in Blender, and just, yeah, edit it in Photo P. That's it. So we have all of these models right now. So we have this for the wall. So a sword. Should the sword be on like a wooden thing or just by itself? Uh, I don't know, wait, let me check. Brawl Stars menu. Uh, I mean, the only similarities I can see is the play button. But yeah. Um, like for the lobby, like how it looks like, I got like mainly inspired by Fortnite and Fall Guys, and there was another game. I don't know what exactly it is, but yeah, uh, I got inspired by these games for the lobby, but it's not exactly like a copy of that. Like it has a few unique features. So let's see. A wall sword mount. Ooh, yeah. So I could make like an armor or something like so like this. Hmm. This looks weird. I don't know. This just looks weird. Will there be a game mode with yeah, there are more flies than one. It's like that by default. If you play with let's say you play against AI, then if there are 4 players, then there will be 4 flies. If you're playing PvP, then it's like split. Like, I don't know what's the ratio, like it's like 35-65% in PvP. So like from like 10 players there is like 4 flies in PvP, I think. Something like this, and just now the sword. Mm. Wait, actually, I think I have a sword model made. It was for Custom Car Tycoon. What do you think your next game will be? I don't know. I don't know. I want to finish this first. I don't know what it's going to be. It's I mean, I don't really plan like what type of games I want to make, but it might be a horror game, or if not, then I don't know, maybe I actually have a lot of ideas. Maybe like I want to make like a co-op simulator. I don't know what exactly, but like a co-op simulator. All right. This looks good, but I think the end of this word is way too long. Something like this, maybe. Yeah, this looks good. Next, oops. Next thing, X. Yeah, liar's game. About that. Uh, yeah. Uh, I have nothing to say about liar's game. I mean, liar's game was a like game. Like it looked amazing. Like actually amazing. But I don't know. It just didn't get finished. X, X, X. Something like this. Oops. Um, Liar's game. I can show it actually. I mean, there is a what uh, in the there was a scene in the Pirates of the Caribbean movie where they were playing, I don't know what it's called, Liar's Dice. And yeah, we started making a game about that, and then like a week later, 2 weeks later, a game called Liar's Bar, I believe that's what it's called, it released, and it was exactly like that game. So yeah, then we tried to make like a mix between that Liar's Bar game and I don't know what the game is called, 21 or Roblox maybe. We tried to make like a mix of those two games, but yeah, we just stopped working on it. I don't even know how to start this game. Anyways, let's just make the X until. So, uh, Um, so, thing is, I don't know how to start the game. Yeah, Layers game is private. I don't know how to start the game. Oh shit, why is this? I don't know how to start the game. Ooh, start. Maybe. Uh, phew. Oof, I don't know how to start the game. Wait. Start. Yes. Oh yeah, so that's because I need to do start to. Yeah. Let me disable the music. I mean, the graphics in this game is just a different level. Like, seriously. Yeah. It looks good. Let me close this. Uh, Let me open Catch the Fly. Oops, the music. So, back to Blender. Uh, so, the X. So, like this. Like Oh, this doesn't look good. Uh, Maybe I should go with like a more regular axe. I mean, I don't know. I never made an axe before. Uh, Let me look up an image. Uh, um, I'm making the new map for Catch the Fly. Acid spray. Yes, I was thinking about something like that. Um, but yeah, I will probably add a few more weapons for release. Like right now there's like, I don't know, like 20, maybe. I need to remake this. This just looks bad. Let me just duplicate. I delete this entire part. Like this, and so I need to make this edge like more round, a bit up. RV map. RV map. Um, um, yeah, but I think it would be way too big. I don't want to make really big maps to look bad. Well, not bad, but you would get lost. Oof, oof, oof. This axe looks really fucking weird. I don't know why. Yeah, something like this. Like making this bottom part a lot wider. Yeah, something like this. Uh, it's still not the best, to be honest. I don't really like this X. Just looks weird. Maybe if I remove this part. I don't know. What do you guys think? It looks good. Well, it doesn't look bad, but I don't know, something just feels off. Maybe if I make this top part like this. All right, looks good for now. Oh, actually, I need to fix this. So now I'm going to add this and just like scale it out a bit. Looks good for now. Yes, I'm trying to make an X, but actually, what if I would just remove this? I mean, yeah, that's the thing, that it doesn't look sharp. Alright, I'm back. So, uh, how would I make it look sharper? Maybe make this front part this and this part like a bit more back. Maybe I should make this bottom part like a lot bigger. What is this part? If the top and bottom of the blade have sharp point and then have the front be a smooth low poly curver. I get what you mean, but so that's too curved. I would have never thought that making an axe would take this much time. What if I would just remove like the back part? Like make this one like this. I mean, I will keep it like this for now. Looks good for now. So place it onto this. Actually, this could be like this. Right. This looks good. Yeah. Maybe I could make it like this, or I could have two of these axes like this. Yeah, this looks way better. I think this is finished. Yes, I see the chat. So, so what I need to make now is some bathroom stalls. Yeah, so bathroom stalls. Bathroom stall. Yeah, so all right. So actually, I don't need this back part because this won't be visible. also delete this. And like this. So I will make it a bit longer. Or it's good like this. So once I done, uh, nice. Is there a devlog? No, there is no devlog yet, but I will make one. There will be a devlog probably when it releases. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, Blender is when I first started learning Blender, it was weird. I didn't even know how to like move around. But after you learn like the basics, it's not that hard. Actually, I should delete this side so I can center it. Can you teach me how to script? Uh, uh, I can't. Sorry. I'm not a like I don't really make tutorial videos or anything, and I don't think I would have enough time to like teach anyone. There is more than enough videos on YouTube about scripting. I mean, the best way to learn scripting is just to practice. That's the thing. You just need to practice. So the door. Uh, so the door. Um, all right, so I just need to add like a few hinges and a door handle, and then this will be done. So just going to add a cube. Separate. This could be like at both ends, like this. Nice. So this is almost done. Just need to add a handle, which I'm just going to copy from where is it? Just going to copy this one. Yeah. Duplicate. So oops. Where's the handle? Oh, it's here. Nice. Wait, I need to move this to the center. Yeah, I mean, the dev forum is a good place to learn scripting. Me personally, I learned scripting from actually I didn't learn it from like YouTube or something. I started practicing, and that's when ChatGPT came out, and ChatGPT came out months after I started scripting, and so like I got to like a beginner like point, and then I started practicing scripting with ChatGPT, and it helped a lot. I mean, you can start with the hardest stuff when you're scripting something, because if you want to start with the most complicated things, then you will just give up, because you will just get stuck. Like if you barely know anything about scripting, then it's the best thing you can do is just to practice with easier stuff. So this is done. So I just need to texture these. These three. Wait, actually I need this back. This, and unwrap. Yeah, data stores are not my favorite, to be honest. For this game I just went with the what it's called, player, wait, let me find it. Profile store service, or what it's called. It's a free module. It's pretty easy to set up, and it basically like handles the data store, and it's a lot better than what I could make. So yeah. These will be, I don't know, maybe something like this. The handle can stay that color. This will be something like this, or no, bit, yeah. Well, actually I will change this to this. Or not. These can be this color. Now it's bit brighter. I think 7 months. I don't know exactly. Around 7 months. Like the wait, let me check. So the first devlog that I put out of Custom Car Tycoon, I started working on the game like a month before that. So like, I don't know, 7 months. And after it released, I worked on updates for another 2.5 months, and yeah, that was it. I'm back. So, uh, mm, this can be the same color as this. Yeah, so I mean the reason custom card took a lot of time to make, firstly because I'm making games by myself, and second thing is that um, it it was not too complex to make, but there was just a lot of stuff that I needed to work on, like making every single car part took probably the most time. Like adding, I don't know how much the game has currently, but like making, I don't know, like 200 car parts in Blender, and then making the icon for each of them, and then importing every model into Studio and renaming them, positioning them, adding them to a table, each one with their icon. So yeah, that was the probably the most boring thing about Custom Car Tycoon. Like, yeah, that took the most time probably. And also, it took 7 months to release because I made videos too. Fuck. This could be like a darker color or the same color, just change this. To not that one. All right. Um. So I think these are finished. So yeah. Um. I can import these to Studio. Well, I'm happy to hear that. Mm, yeah, my devlogs on Custom Car Tycoon. Yeah, it had the biggest impact on the game. Actually, from all of my videos, I think Custom Car Tycoon devlogs were the best. So, let's import to Studio. Tavern assets. More tavern assets. Oh shit. I need to fix. Oh. Yeah, I need to fix one of the models quickly. Because the faces are flipped. This will be bugged in Studio. Everything else is good. So, flip. I didn't flip. Mesh, normal flip. Nice. So, I will switch to Studio in a sec. Single part asset create call failed. That's strange. Let's try again, I guess. For some reason, I cannot import the model. Oops. Shit. I just noticed that I'm muted. Shit. So yeah, this map is a tavern. Yeah, it's starting to look alright. Shit. I didn't realize that I was muted. Maybe here. I mean, it's looking good so far. I'm going to add some like plates and shit like this. Also this. A phone. Here. I will put the phone like this. Like this maybe. Or outwards. And some bottles here. Actually, I might need to make these bottles a bit smaller so that it can fit. I need to make this precise composition so that I can actually put stuff into it. When you start working in a game, what do you start with first? When you start, like when I start working on a new game. What do you mean? Hello, Nexu. Welcome to the stream. You know how stats work of the game? Stats. I don't get what you mean by stats. Basically when I start working on a new game, I usually just like plan a lot of stuff. I don't know, I usually start with like the main gameplay. I always try to finish like the core gameplay first. Like for this fly game, the first thing I started working on was the actually I think I have an older video of that. So basically the very first thing I started making for this game was just the destroyable objects. I first made the vase. Then after that I think I started working on the fly AI, but it was shit, so I made like burnable objects so we can light, let's say, the sofa on fire. So yeah, I usually start with the core gameplay. I mean, why would I work on anything else, like make a bunch of models, if the core gameplay will be bad? If you have a game with 500 to 1k concurrent players and you only make like 1 or 2k, that's bad. That's really bad. I don't know what type of game it is, but if a game has a strong monetization, then with 500 concurrent players you can make like, I don't know, like 20, 30k a day. Yeah, I mean UI. Yeah, I mean depends on the game. It's a troll game. Then I don't know what's like troll game like. Is it an obby? Oh, troll traveler. Uh, maybe try adding, I don't know, like stuff that makes the game more exciting, so that people will buy it. Like 1 or 2k Robux a day with, let's say, 600 average concurrent players is very small. So, uh, I should actually make this like random colors. My dumbass made the top shelf a lot smaller than the other ones. Nice. Peak game design. That's what I call this. Like this. And for the bottom one, I will adjust the. Jesus! Alright, I'm not going to. You know what? I will add them like this. I mean, the genre of the game. I think it's bad monetization. How long until release? That's a great question. I would want to know that too. Actually, I don't know. Like, phew, I don't know. I have no clue. Probably a month, 2 months. I want to release it this summer. um, this, this, and this. These will be, I don't know, purple, maybe. Purple. Let's see, something like, yeah, this looks good. This one, let's make this one. Blue. Or yellow. And just make this blue. Nice. Yes. I mean, the trailer, yeah. I mean, uh, like I think every developer or studio is trying to make their trailer look the best possible. Like, uh, I mean, the game is like fully playable. It's like 95% finished. Like, you can play on two maps. There is like 6 modifiers, 4 power-ups for the flies. I don't know, like 50 or no, like 40 cosmetics, like 60 body colors, daily rewards, leveling systems. So there's a lot of stuff that is done. It's just the game just needs more content. I'm just trying to fill the game with content. That's what's keeping me from releasing it. But probably a month, I think. I mean, I'm going to finish this map, and before release I will start to work on another map, probably a supermarket. We will see. And yeah, I want to add a few more items too. What's in those bottles? It's just apple juice. Will there be a stream even after the game is released? I mean, I will probably do live streams like every week, every 2 week, I don't know. Uh, uh, After the game releases, probably I will make a few live streams where I will, like, I don't know, playing custom car tycoon or shit like that. I don't think I will make a devlog about like making a map, but when the game releases I want to make a video that's, it's not going to be like the usual devlogs. It will be like how the game was made, like, I don't know, like, it's not going to be a devlog where I like actually make the stuff in the video. It's going to be just me talking about the game, like how it was made and stuff. I don't want to put a lot of these bottles everywhere. Yeah, I've been making this game for 3 months too. Almost 3.5 months. 3 months and 1 week, basically. And yeah, for the data store I just use a profile service. I recommend checking that out. It's very useful. It's a pre-made module that you can use. It takes like, I don't know, like 15 minutes to set up. I watched a YouTube tutorial about it, and it basically handles the data store. Like, it handles crashes, like everything. Like, it's never going to fail. So yeah, that's cool. No, it's Roblox isn't removing premium payouts. They just change how it works. They are just changing it. I don't know exactly how it's going to work. I just heard that it's going to change. Actually, I need to check out how the map looks like in the game. So, uh, um, mm, so, I believe I put everything into the folders, so I can test the map. No, only the carpets are left. Actually, I will place one more carpet, like here, maybe. This, and here. So, server storage, game maps. Server modules, game settings, and just tavern. Play. The data store is called profile service. What the fuck is going on here? Wait, maybe the table is duplicated. Oops, not this map. Yeah, shit. It was duplicated. So. Can it save text in a text label? In Roblox you cannot save anything that is an instance. So if you want to save a text in a text label, just save it as a string value, and then basically how data saving and loading works. So you already have the, let's say, this profile service setup, and it saves and loads the data into the player, but you need to make a script where you will like load the stuff in. So like check the saved text value and put it in the text. Yeah, everything looks good. Yeah, this looks a bit laggy because of the stream. I mean, this looks good. Yeah. Yes, it's a nuke. Uh, going to add these two. I'm going to place a few of these down, and I think I'm going to end the stream then. Uh, so let's just call these wall decoration. Also this, or yeah, I could shield. I will name these wall decoration too. So that it will be better for performance. Can break anchored object. Um, Oops, I forgot to place the candles. I mean, my mic is I don't know how I could make it louder. I'm not talking very loud right now. Yeah, I mean, ChatGPT is good. I usually use it for like stuff that would be boring to make. Like, I don't know, some calculation. I mean, ChatGPT can optimize the code. You just need to play around with it. I use it usually not for coding all the time, but like twice a week I probably use it for coding. Yes, I added a gain filter. No, wait. I added something else. I added noise cancellation. I don't know, is this better? Like, can you guys hear me better? Yeah, but the problem with this is that it doesn't work with the noise cancellation. So, okay, like this, maybe. Oh, wait. Uh, so it Alright, I think I fixed it. So yeah, this should be better now. Is it better? You can't save a text in a text label. That's just not possible. You can save instances. What what you need to do is you need to save the text, and you need to save the string, so the text, and when your data loads back into the game, you will have like a, I don't know, local script that will just check like data dot text one equals, I don't know, something, and then you just put it in the text. Like it's the same thing with when I made Custom Car Tycoon. I wanted to save the car that you make, but you can't save parts or stuff. So what I did is I saved like the car base with the car name, so like car 1, and it had like exhaust equals, I don't know, exhaust 2, and then I loaded it from that. So you need to save it like words, like string, or you can save a number. Also, here's the name of that module, that data store module. Let me find the link to the Duck Studio profiles. I think I used this. I think I watched this video. I think. So, let's just place a few of these down. Yeah, that's it for today. One candle here. Base. Here. I don't know. I could actually place some on the barrels. What the fuck should I add? Maybe a plate here. I could actually add like food, like chicken legs. So on here. Hmm. All right. Down there. What the fuck is this music? Wait. Music. Um. Save this. Hmm. Yeah, I think that's it for today. I mean, this part is like, I would say like, oops, didn't these place some of these. What the where is the X? Not there. Ooh, here, like above the toilet. Hmm. Replace this X. I think. I don't know. Here, maybe one. There two. Yeah. So I think that's it for today. I think it's looking great so far. What do you guys think? Yeah. Um. What's left to made is the, like here behind this door there will be either a basement or just a long like hallway and like these wine barrels, and here there will be the bathroom or just the toilet. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks everyone for being here. There will be, I don't know when the next live stream will be. Probably not like this week. I'm going to finish this map like off stream. I don't want to spoiler too much. And maybe next week I could do like a stream where I would add like new weapons stuff. Oh, what I wanted to add is like a beehive. Maybe that's what we are going to add next week on a stream. That would be interesting. So yeah. Again, thanks everyone for being here. Bye bye.